Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn dihedral plane of symmetry. It is represented with the symbol sigma d. It is the plane that bisects the angle between two similar consecutive C2 axes, or it is also defined as the plane that passes through least number of atoms. It is represented with the symbol sigma d, where this sigma represents plane of symmetry and this d represents dihedral. Let's consider an example of PtCl4 complex. It includes first C2 that passes through these atoms, and it includes second C2 that passes through these atoms. And according to the definition of dihedral plane of symmetry, this is the first plane that passes in between these two C2 axes. Therefore, it is known as dihedral plane. And similarly, this plane is also passes in between these two C2 axes, and therefore it is known as dihedral plane of symmetry. And one point you have to remember, these planes include least number of atoms. Let's consider the second example of cyclohexane. In cyclohexane, this first C2 passes through these atoms, second C2 that passes through the next atoms, and similarly it also passes through these atoms. According to the definition, any plane that passes in between two C2 axes is known as dihedral plane. Therefore, this is the first dihedral plane. Similarly, this is the second dihedral plane, and next one is the dihedral plane. In all these examples, you can see the plane that passes in between two C2 axes is known as dihedral plane of symmetry, and it includes least number of atoms. Thank you.